I saw a pause sign, so I was like, it's not recording.
Oh. Tell your mom this is the conditions that we're in. Driving.
This is the conditions we're in driving, and this is bad right now.
And this is actually better.
We can see the road.
Than it was like 10 minutes ago.
We hit a thing because like completely whited out,
drift.
and we hit a snow drift thing, and it was really funny.
It was funny because we kept going.
Because the thing, like, it blinded us or whatever. He goes, oh, this is scary. And then we hit something, and it was funny.
But it's only funny because we're still moving.
Yeah.
It wouldn't be funny if we was in the snow drift right now.
No, because I'd be sitting there laughing, and you'd be...
I'd be trying to push us out.
Yeah.
You know?
We can see the road.
Yeah, oh, yeah, this is real good. So, we're almost there.
My arm's tired.
Your arm's tired? We'll turn it off.